Hi, in this video I will show you how to upload content to the news page, the blog, events, contact, about us and the your choice page. So first I have selected the pages underneath Design Your App, and now we are going to upload content to the blog page. And in many of these pages you first have to create a category for your subpage that you can upload content to. If you have the basic plan, then you can only create one category, but if you have the extra and the mobile web app plan, then you can create as many categories that you like. So for instance, you can create a blog here that you call My Music Blog, and then you can create another one that you call My Fashion Blog, and so on, and fill those with the posts. So first click here to create a category, and this is going to be the music category, and then some text that we describe the category, and then we're going to upload an image, and then we are going to rearrange the crop box a bit, and you see to the right here in the preview what it will look like, and then we save it. So now we have created our first category, and go back to the start page, and then we can choose our blog, and now we are going to upload content to that category. And if we start from the top here, you will see that from date and to date, and that means that you can decide when your post is going to be visible in the app. If you don't touch it, it will be visible for 10 years or until you delete it. So first we're going to write a headline, my first headline perhaps, and then some text. And in the different pages you can display different things, and in this case you can display a read more button that will display an external page. And in the events page, for instance, you can display a map. So if you see something like this, and if you want to display in this case, the read more button, all you have to do is to write the address to the page that you want to display. And in this case, I will display my press page, and then I will select an image. And it doesn't matter what we select here. We are going to select something like this, just to demonstrate how you do it. And we will have the retina quality, of course, since the image is big enough. And we will do it 250 pixels high, something like this. And you can see in the preview there what it looks like, and then we save it. So now we have uploaded our first post to the category music in our blog pages. So let's have a look in the preview, and we take original, and I have renamed my blog to My Stuff instead. So let's click on that. And if you only have one category uploaded, we will not display it for the user, since that's just an unnecessary click for them. So we go directly to the post if you only have one category. And then we can click the read more button, and we will see the external page here. So let's close that, and we will upload a second category, just to show how the category page look like. And we have another category that we call fashion. and then we're going to select an image for that one, and we will select what will we select here? Then we are going to rearrange it, and we will display this as our category image. Okay, save. And we go back to the start page, and then we can upload content to the fashion category as well. Some headline and some text. And in this case we will not display an external page, so we leave this empty. We just select an image to our post, and we are going to display that as 250 pixels high as well. Okay, save it. So now we can go down to the preview and take a look again. My stuff, and there we have the two categories. And no read more button. And the music. And that's how you upload both categories and content to the categories in these pages. So let's take a look at the events. On this page, for instance, you have to write a headline. You will display a date and time when the event is, where is it, and then if you want to have a read more button, then you have to fill in this field here, some text describing the event. And if you want to display a map where the event is, then you need to write the street address and fill in the rest of these fields here. And then of course upload an image to the event. What else did we have? We have contact. We can take a look at the contact page here. And if we just create a contact suppliers, some text, and then we're going to choose an image for this, and let's say we are going to upload where do we have it? Sorry, I can't find what I was looking for, but it doesn't matter, we can take okay, save the image, and then we'll go back to contact, choose the suppliers category, and then we can write the headline, a street address that will be visible for the user, country, your phone, and if they click on the phone number, they get an alert, and they can just press it to call. Same with the mobile. Email, if they click on that one, they will email you, and that's displayed as a button. And also the read more text. So if we take a look at this, we can take a look in the simulator and see how the contact page looked, perhaps. Let's see, there we have contact, we have stores, outlet perhaps, and here we got the information, and then if we click on the map, we will display where our outlet is. We can write a mail, and then if you click on a phone, you will get an alert, and then you can call the number, of course. So that's how the contact page look. Events page, we can take this one. The information, you got the map here as well, and you got the read more page. And that's how you upload content to all these pages. It is basically the same on all of them. Okay, thank you.